Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the photo duration on your Aura frame in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Aura application on your phone. Just make sure that your frame is already connected and visible on the home screen. Now, when you tap on the menu icon on the top left hand corner, simply select your Aura digital photo frame from the list. After that, when you see the settings icon, you need to come inside the settings. When you scroll down a bit, you need to look for the option that says timing or slideshow timing. Either you will find the slideshow timing option inside the timing option. So when you are here, when you tap on the option of timing, you just have to choose the preferred intervals. You will see a bunch of different options here like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, etc. So you can select the shorter duration for faster slideshows and longer durations for slower viewing. Once selected, the changes are going to be applied instantly. So when you are done, simply exit the settings and your frame will now follow the new timings automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.